Welcome to MetaTrader 4 at Forex.com's video tutorial series. Today, we will be going over how to upload and run expert advisors. Expert advisors, or EAs, are plugins designed to automatically scan the market, looking for opportunities to execute trades based on your preset series of parameters. You have the option of creating your own or obtaining them from third parties. There are also several examples provided within MetaTrader by default. Once you have chosen your EA, you will need to load it to MetaTrader while the platform is closed. Expert advisors typically end in EX4 or MQ4, and both need to be placed into the experts folder. However, the process for uploading each type of file once it's been placed in the experts folder is different. My expert advisors are called MACD EA EX4 and Moving Average MQ4. Both are located on my desktop as you see here. So I will take the files and move them into the experts folder in my Forex.com folder found on my C drive. Now that I have placed the EX4 file into the experts folder, the process for that file type is complete, and I'll open MetaTrader. To finish loading my MQ4 file, I will need to compile it. To do this, I will open the MQL editor by clicking on the icon next to Expert Advisors at the top of my screen. In the Navigator section, locate your MQ4 file and double-click on it. This will bring up the code. Next, go to File and Compile. If successful, you will see 0 errors in the log at the bottom. Your EA is now ready to use. Close the MQL editor. Within my Navigator window on my terminal, I am going to expand the Expert Advisors to find my MACD EA that we just uploaded. Then I will click, drag, and drop it onto one of my charts. As you can see, the Preferences window pops up when I do that. Within this window, you are able to customize your EA to meet your trading and risk tolerance needs. First, you can indicate if you would like the EA to execute the trades, send you an alert when criteria are met, or both. The Safety section shown here allows you to specify if you want your EA to use additional files or outside sources when scanning the market. The required settings differ by EA, so it's best to contact your EA provider with any questions. To further customize, click on the Inputs tab. These inputs detail criteria for executing the trade and signals it is scanning for and will differ by EA. For my MACD EA, the first detail you see is take profit. The value next to it is in pips. Since prices are quoted in fractions of a pip, this first field is currently setting the take profit at 5 whole pips or 50 fractional pips. I am going to change it to 500 so my take profit is at 50 whole pips. I'm also going to change my trailing stop accordingly to 300. Please keep in mind that these settings are just for discussion purposes and are not trading recommendations. Now that I have these criteria set up to my liking, I am going to click OK to attach it to my chart. If you look up in the top right corner of my chart, you will see the name of my EA and a smiley face next to it. This means that the EA is running. If you saw an X here, that simply means that you do not have Expert Advisors enabled. To enable Expert Advisors, click on the Expert Advisors icon at the top of your screen. That covers the Expert Advisor functionality available in MetaTrader 4. If you have any questions, please click on the live chat link in your web browser to speak with a live representative.